Alright, I wanted to just quickly try to show the Studio 16 running. It's right here. There it is. So Studio 16 running on a what is it called? An AD516 card or something. So I don't have, there's nothing here for me to, let's try just, I don't know, will this work? Maybe not. Where's the cue list? Here it is. So this is like your tape machine kind of thing. It's very clunky. We're looking at like 20 minutes. Let's get way down. I haven't tried recording anything in yet. I've been just like kind of dropping stuff in here and playing it and seeing if it will play. Yeah, so it's kind of doing it. I mean, I'm not sure that these are even 16-bit files. Let's get over to this one. But yeah, so it's working. It works. It sounds all right. What I used to do mainly was record stuff in as 16-bit and then convert to 8-bit because it sounded better than recording in through, you know, some other 8-bit way. And once it was 8-bit, you could mung it all up in other applications that are super cool, and then, you know, drop it into that Amiga phone or something like that. Anyways, but I just want to show that thing that it's working. It's crazy. From 1992, you know. All right.